Hello guys, welcome to another video of Code Wizard. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make a simple Corona game in a Python. So let's get started.
So first you have to open the Python software and simply type the code in Python program. I have given the source code link in the description, so you can take the code from there. So after typing the code, you have to simply run the game. And you will see this type of window on your laptop or PC. From space, you can fire the sanitizer and kill the coronavirus.
So now you can simply play this interesting game. So if you like the video, please like, share and comment and wait for the another amazing video. So till then,
Bye bye.